So I pulled up to the Honda dealer to go pick up a new Lease car to replace the 2015 Prius.
So here we're seeing the 2018 Honda Accord 2-liter turbo, which has this new style automatic shifter, which kind of weirds me out because it's push button, but the interior is nice.
Now walking around the lot, there's some interesting things you'll find. What's even weirder is that you see 2016 Accord, Civic. These are all new cars. It's an array of cars right here. They're all previous months, which, see what the incentive is on this Touring, which is pretty much fully loaded. 2016 Touring. Damn, 26. It's a great looking car though. Too bad it's already considered 2 years old. Well, let's see. So Sunday we're at the car lot looking around and seeing what we're going to come home with. Yes, I don't script, I just kind of go as it goes. That's why all of them look weird. Unscripted. See, look, the EX has different wheels. See, the gray one.
Oh, this is the
EX. Yeah. This might even be EX. So, actually, if you have more CRVs, you might get a better deal on CRV, but look how big it is.
Yeah, I don't really like the way it looks in the back.
Yeah. You have the blue color, the gray color. You have the black color, the gray. This is why I'm like, you might as well look at different colors. CRV, HRV. Oh man. So after a few weeks of waiting and looking, this is officially going to be the replacement of the Prius C. An all-wheel drive. Heated seats. 2018 Honda HRV EX all-wheel drive.
I drove the car, so we didn't have to pay a driver, but because we're getting a car from somebody else, they keep some of their own cash out of the car. So that's why we're kind of hard. That's behind the scenes. So, they are actually,
Which thing?
Okay.
Alright, keys. Not bad. Wireless keys. And all the paperwork sent for the RV now hopping in the Prius C, taking it back. Yeah. It's hot in here. Let's see, go on. Hear that little hybrid start. Alright, where are we going? Now let's see if this thing actually is small enough it fits in the side. And I think it actually does. It's so small, it fits.
Yeah?
See, it's so small, it fit straight into the driveway without trying.
Several hours later.
Well, after a bit of paperwork, they have finally replaced this lease, which is about to end next month. So my sister finally got a replacement car, which thankfully after that long process we were able to agree on one and a dealer and kind of coordinate to go swap. So since this has a few days left, I'm thinking that this is going to become an upcoming video. It's so small compared to the Accord, which, you know, you'll see an upcoming video following this to kind of outline what it's like to have it, as well as, you know, things that I think are interesting, as well as, well, I guess day to day. So stay tuned for an upcoming video. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, subscribe so you can see this upcoming video, as well as other videos that have already taken place, since, you know, I don't have a particular topic, and you'll see that each video has its own subject matter that pretty much doesn't follow the other one, with the exception of this. So, I mean, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat, which will be in the outro, as well as a link below, and thank you for tuning in to the JD channel once again. This is going to be fun.